Hi, good morning, good afternoon. This is Vishnuvardhan, contract lecturer, Mechanical Department, Government Polytechnic, Vaddepalli, third semester. My subject is Manufacturing Technology 1 for diploma candidates in mechanical engineering. Subject code M305, C16 and 3, C18 also. Topic Shaper. In Shaper chapter, last class we have discussed what discussed construction details of shaper and specifications and details explain construction details explain one by one. For example, base, bed, column, etc. Now we are today our topic is hydraulic quick return mechanism. This is driving mechanism, one part of the one type of hydraulic quick return mechanism. On completion of this period you would be able to the principle of hydraulic quick return motion mechanism used in shaper. Firstly firstly we learn the hydraulic quick return mechanism. First, just a minute. This is a hydraulic shaper mission, and this is also hydraulic shaper mission line diagram. Hydraulic shaper mechanism line diagram. This part is, it consists of oil tank, oil pump, relief valve, reversing lever pivot. It has two dogs: reversing lever, throttle valve, oil pump. Oil pump means gauge pump, and it has three valves in cylinder. It has a large cylinder, and it has two cylinders. One is the three valves is located into the cylinder, and the other one is the uh, piston rod also located on the top position of ram. And shaper head, outlet tool, and workpiece. It is clearly figure reservoir. Reservoir means oil tank, pump, reversing valve, ram, piston, operating cylinder, piston rod, valve chamber, speed controllers, pump and work, reversing valve, reversing lever, trip dogs, control stroke length, speed controllers. It has two types of cylinders. One cylinder is connected to the reversing lever, and other cylinder is located into the ram. In this cylinder also located locate in this cylinder also connected to the operating cylinder, and tool head, clapper box, and cutting tool also connected. And this cylinder, it can be moved from left to right and right to left through a hydraulic cylinder. And this and other cylinder is connected to the reversing lever, and the reversing lever is also movement to the from left dog to right dog. This is the trips these called dogs. This reversing lever is movement to the from left side to right side, and it is also connected to the These no 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 sorry, these movements also with RAM. These movements also with RAM. Firstly, just clearly explain on next. Firstly, the ram is driven by piston which slides in a cylinder placed under ram. The oil under high pressure is pumped by a gear pump behind the piston. With the movements of piston, the ram moves forward and the oil in the left side of the cylinder goes back to the tank. At the end of forward stroke, the one end of the dog hits the controlling lever, which causes the valves to change their position. Now the oil under high pressure is pumped to the left side of cylinder, causing the ram to perform return stroke, and oil in the right side back to the tank return to the tank. At the end of return stroke, another dog hits the reversing lever, which again changes the valve position and thus the direction of stroke. Direction of stroke. The quick return motion is affected due to the difference in volume of oil at both ends. The same amount of oil is pumped to the right or left hand of the cylinder. This causes the oil pressure to rise in the left side due to the presence of piston rod and will increase the speed during return stroke. The length and position of stroke is adjusted by shifting the dogs. The cutting speed may be changed by regulating the flow of oil by means of a throttle valve. Throttle valve. Mainly the hydraulic shaper mission. Hydraulic shaper mission. These parts, oil tank is necessary. Oil tank is necessary for storing the oil, and these oil tank supplied to the oil through pipes or through pipes. These pipes oil lift from oil pump or means gear motor. Pump is rotated automatically. Oil lift lift the lift oil lift through the pipes. The cylinder, first cylinder means lever connecting the cylinder. This cylinder is movement from left side to right side. At the same time, top position of the ram, this cylinder also it can be moved from left to right. At the top position, the reversing lever for example, ram moves from forward direction, and reversing lever it can also moves forward direction. And return stroke, and and return stroke and it comes backward. Ram comes backward, and reversing lever also it comes backward, and it is also connected to the dogs from left side and right side, means forward and backward. It can touches the dogs, and it ram moves forward direction. The cutting tool is removed from excess material on the workpiece, and workpiece is located on the work table to clamp the workpiece for different sizes of workpieces, and different clamps depending on the workpiece. For example, small sizes, medium sizes, small sizes and medium sizes workpieces can be machined in this hydraulic machine. Workpiece is removed through the cutting tool by a cutting tool. It can remove only forward direction, and it comes backward. It is a ideal position. Then then cutting tool comes backward. It is a ideal position. It can be lifted. And the tool head also it cannot be changed from required angles. The ram with cutting tool has to move slowly in cutting stroke. Ram to return quickly in ideal stroke. The first two methods are discussed already. The third method by hydraulic mechanism. In this hydraulic mechanism, ram to return quickly in ideal stroke. Then in quick return mechanism, QRM means it is a shortcut quick return mechanism due to the difference in stroke volume. Volume on left side of piston is small due to presence of piston rod. Right side volume is larger, absence of piston rod. Pumps same amount of oil both sides, as volume is small on left side. Pressure increases. Increase in pressure causes speed of ram to increase in return stroke. Now this causes the oil pressure to rise in the left side due to the presence of piston rod, and will increase the speed during return stroke. The length and position of stroke is adjusted by shifting the dogs from left dog and right dog. The cutting speed may be changed by regulating the flow of oil by means of a throttle valve. In this mission, we observed on the cutting tool, cutting speed is depending on the throttle valve movements. For example, depending on the cutting strokes, slowly cutting tool is moves slowly, and it can be adjusted which one throttle valve is adjusted to the slowly, and cutting tool is moved fastly, and throttle valve is adjusted to the different angle and different movements also. Now, advantage of hydraulic shaper. Cutting tool works uniformly during cutting stroke. Reverse stroke is obtained without any shock. More number of cutting speeds are obtained. Good control on cutting speed. Relief valve ensure safety, that is mission is not overloaded. The action of hydraulic shaper is considerably smoother than that of mechanically driven shaper. Cutting speed is nearly constant throughout the stroke and full capacity of cutting tool is utilized. Reversal of the ram is smooth and there is less inertia of moving parts. The stroke length can be varied quickly without stopping the mission. An infinity number of different speeds are available and the speeds are easily controlled. More number of strokes per minute can be obtained at a given cutting speed. The relief valve ensures safety and prevents damage to mission when the cutting tool is overloaded. If case cutting stroke is more than cutting speed is speedily, cutting tool is speedily and the workpiece in on the workpiece material is removed depth of material, it this mission is cannot be overloaded and mission also continuously movements and it can be stopped at any position of the workpiece because workpiece is suddenly unclamped on the work table and mission is stopped and other reason is workpiece is cutting stroke depth of material can be removed, then it can be adjusted to the cutting tool by a levers means throttle valves. And disadvantages of hydraulic shaper. This mission cost is high, complicated in design. The stopping point of the ram is not constant. This is the main disadvantages when the cutting towards and stopping before some obstructions. Assignment. What is quick return mechanism? Telangana board mainly asked you to the different times and more times what is the quick return mechanism. It is very very important for a board exam and also ask to essay question. Explain quick return mechanism. Quick means it is a speedily quick return. In question answer in the question answer is already mentioned. Quick return. Quick means it is a speedily comes backward. That is quick return mechanism. In quick return mechanism is a speedily backward and how it is obtained. Other question is the how is it obtained in shaping mission specifications and mission working process and mission advantage also asking to different times different times and a number of times also. It is important question. And explain the principle of hydraulic shaper. Explain the hydraulic shaper means principle sometimes asking to mainly board exam in the board exams. What is explain the principle of hydraulic shaper and hydraulic quick return mechanism sometimes. And this figure is 50% of essay question. And the theory also asking to sometimes only, and sometimes asking to advantage of hydraulic shaper, and list and disadvantage of hydraulic shaper, and sometimes asking to only write any two advantages and write any three disadvantages. And this type of asking to the board exams. And sometimes asking only draw a neat sketch of hydraulic shaper drive mechanism, hydraulic drive. These times asking to this type of questions asked in different times. And compulsory draw a neat sketches of hydraulic shaper mission. In the shaper mission, with the movements of piston, the ram moves forward, and the oil in the left side of the cylinder goes back to the tank. At the end of forward stroke, the one end of the dog hits the controlling lever, which causes the valves to change their positions. Now the oil under high pressure is pumped to the left side of the cylinder, causing the ram to perform return stroke, and the oil the right side return back to the tank. This mission we observed oil tank. In this it has two cylinders. Ram moves forward direction, and oil lifts the forward direction, and cylinder ram it comes backward, and oil also comes to the return stroke. return stroke we return stroke we are we return stroke we can it observed easily. And quick return mechanism is affected to the difference in volumes of oil at both ends. The amounts of oil is pumped to the right or left hand side of the cylinder. It's compulsory. And these advantages of hydraulic cylinders and disadvantages of hydraulic cylinders is must learn for short questions. In this advantage of hydraulic cylinder is the very simple. First one is generally just shortly, cutting speed is nearly constant throughout the stroke, and full capacity of cutting tool is utilized. And reverse stroke return stroke, and return stroke is a quick return mechanism also. It comes to return stroke is easily, and the stroke of length can be varied quickly without stopping the mission. And the stroke of length is very length, and infinite number of different speeds are available. Because it has a throttle valves means, for example, tap comes to the tap into comes the water, slow speed increasing or decreasing, just like throttle valve works just like as a tap. Tap means just a throttle valve, just like as a throttle valve. This tap, water comes to slow speed, medium size, and different speeds are available. We can open the valve, we can open the valve with different speeds. That is the throttle valve process. And disadvantages of hydraulic saper mission, mainly it is a heavy complicated design heavy complicated design and machining cost also high. Generally variety easily means generally variety easily machining cost high, complicated design, it cannot be stopped at any speeds. This is mean disadvantages. Variety easily, compulsory must learn advantages and disadvantages and working principle also easily. And this figure easily learn, it is a complicated design. Means first we can draw a reservoir tank, and it has connected to the pump valves, and it has a two cylinders. One is connected to the reversing lever, and other cylinder is inserted into the ram. And this also ram is also connected to the tool head, lever clamp, and cutting tool also connected. And the workpiece is located compulsory any mission, because workpiece is located where is, if case vice is not located, vice or work table is not fixed on the mission, any mission, where we can locate it. First it is observed, then so the workpiece is work table or vice is necessary for any workpiece, small sizes, medium sizes, and heavy sizes. Any workpieces located on the work table or vice, it is compulsory. First we learn work table, base, column, ram. This is the types, these models we can learn. So in this mission, column is not mentioned on the top, is not located because it has a inner type mechanism showing in this figure. Just this figure observed, this is the speed controllers, and this is the mechanism, and this mechanism, and it return stroke, quick return stroke. This figure is name is a hydraulic quick return mechanism. Means it works on hydraulic coil. It come speedily backward. Means return stroke, means quick return stroke, quick return mechanism, hydraulic quick return mechanism. This is the mechanism of hydraulic quick return mechanism, hydraulic system for quick return mechanism. And it is very very important for essay question, asking to number of times in board exams Telangana or any boards. For example, AP board also asking to this type of questions, and competitive exams also asking very very important. Which type of questions asking into the competitive exams? First one is, what is mean quick return mechanism? For example, quick return mechanism, option A, quick return means quick, we know compulsory. Quick return means it comes speedily, comes backward. This RAM asking to option A slowly, speedily, option B speedily, option C medium, option D continuously moving. This type of questions asking, then we can we learn the quick return mechanism, compulsory hydraulic mechanism, and this type of uh, for example sometimes asking to different types of questions. uh, how many types of quick return mechanism of slaughter, and that is one is the crank quick return mechanism of crank slaughter lever mechanism, hydraulic lever mechanism, and other one is the Whitworth quick return mechanism. Sometimes write any one quick return mechanism of a slaughter mission. This type of asking to questions and draw easily this type of mission. And sometimes short question also, what is mean quick return mechanism, sometimes asking. And sometimes only short only write any 2 or 3 types of hydraulic system of advantages of hydraulic shaper. And these times more number of strokes per minute can be obtained at a given cutting speeds. The relief valve ensures safety and prevent damage, and the cutting speed is nearly constant throughout the stroke, and the full capacity of cutting tool is utilized. This type of write shortly and easily. And advantage, first note this advantage of is easily. I'm also typing in the PPTs. So these points note it. These points note it to the cutting tool works uniformly during cutting stroke, and reverse stroke is obtained without any shock. More number of cutting speeds are obtained, and a good control on cutting speed. Relief valve ensures safety. Note these points. Note these points is very important for further references or for competitive exams. Okay. This is the hydraulic system for quick return mechanism, advantages and disadvantages. Okay. Thank you.
Daddy.